Hi guys, these are third strategies for today. These are third one. For those who haven't subscribed to this channel, not this one you are watching this on, this particular one, go and subscribe there. We've dropped two strategies there right now, so go and subscribe there. Subscribe to both channels to watch all our latest strategies. Just subscribe. And before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boats, you know what to do. Just visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boats. You can make payments using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer. Once you make your payment, just complete the order form and submit a Gmail address. Once the payment is confirmed, the order will be sent to you within maximum of 48 hours. Here are some of the results of the boats on deriv and binary.com. It's still very effective. The version 4.1 is still very effective. As stated earlier, make sure you subscribe to all our channels. We are going to paste this in a video decision on YouTube for you to be able to see all the links. This is a link to order for the boat, so make sure you are watching the video on YouTube. You'll expand the video decision, you will see all these links there. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. This is the link to subscribe to our channel, the first channel where we drop most of the videos. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and this channel for latest updates on our strategies and boats and any new video. So subscribe to the channels, and here is the link to our forum websites to read written tutorials. You can join the forum website right there. So let's get back to the trading. We'll be trading the volatility 10 index. This strategy is as well similar to the last two strategies we dropped on the other channel, just that the barrier offset is different and the indices is different as well. So I've logged in. Make sure you log into the deriv interface. I'm using the deriv interface. So all you need to do at the top left corner right there, you click on smart trader. Then in the synthetic indices, you click on volatility 10 index right there. Then you change this to higher lower. You click on this, you click on higher lower. The duration is 6 ticks. You enter 6 ticks. I'm staking 24 USD, and you set the barrier offset to plus 0.421 plus 0.421 plus 0.421. So we're going to be working with this last three digits again. Once it's between 010 to 099, we click on purchase. Is that this for the last three digits here? This one has to be O. The first one has to be O. So it can be 09, between 090 to 099. So once you see either 010, 020, 032, 035 to 099, you can click on lower. Here you have to click on lower, not higher. You click on lower. So let's watch. You have to be fast with it as well. That's 099. So you quickly click on purchase there. So let's wait for the outcome. So as you can see, we won that trade. So let's wait again. Once you see between 010 to 099, you click on purchase. We are working with the last three numbers. You have to be fast with it, and we are clicking on load. That's 027 there. As you can see, we won that trade again. Let's go for another trade. You have to be fast. Remember, we are clicking the lower. Nine 7 244 837. You are watching the last three numbers. Don't forget. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. That's 073 right there. Okay, you can see we won all the trades. So you can go on and on and on and on. Make sure you watch carefully before you click on the lower purchase, so you can go on and on and on. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies, and for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boats, just visit www.touchscalpertechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. Here are the results on deriv and binary.com as well, and the version 4.1 is still very effective and active. And don't forget to share our channel URL and subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.